Talking about Ashok sir, is a person who is guiding everyone in a way to achieve a good career. So he is helping everyone by giving this chance to learn so many things.
Hi, Siddiq.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you, Siddiq?
I'm good, ma'am.
Okay. So this is Aruna from Quality Department, Siddiq. I just want to take a feedback interview from your side. So before starting that, first of all, congratulations for your placement, Siddiq.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you introduce about yourself, your earlier studies, hometown, and presently what you are doing?
Sure, ma'am. So I'm Siddiq. I belong to Andhra Pradesh. I have done my BTech in civil engineering from Rajiv Gandhi Memorial College. And after that, I came to CMTI in Bangalore. Yeah, here I came to learn so many things which are
Okay.
very helpful
Okay.
for
So
me.
how did you get to know about CMTI, Siddiq?
One of my senior referred me to join CMTI. Through
Okay.
him, I joined CMTI.
Okay. So whatever you learned in CMTI, what was the new thing you learned here, Siddiq?
So after coming to CMTI, I can say that I have learned so many things. Like in college, they used to tell what is what, but after coming here, I came to learn what is how it should be done. So after coming here, like bar bending schedules, form work, and BOQs, study of drawings, SketchUp, AutoCAD. This and all I have learned after coming to CMTI.
So what about your site visits and all, Siddiq?
Yeah, we have been to site visits during the training period itself. So that was very helpful for gaining practical knowledge. We have been to some interior companies and some construction sites also. So there we have learned so many things, how the practical work goes, and what are the types of materials that are to be used in construction, and what are the types of materials that are used. That and all I learned going to the site visits, ma'am.
Okay. So can you tell about trainer Natarajan sir and Ashok sir? So how was the guidance of Ashok sir for the interview as well as career? Can you tell me about that, Siddiq?
Sure, ma'am. So talking about Ashok sir, is a person who is guiding everyone in a way to achieve a good career. So he is helping everyone by giving this chance to learn so many things. I can say he is the key role for CMTI. Whereas talking about Natarajan sir is very good in explaining everything. Whatever he's teaching, he is very clear, and that helped a lot of students in gaining the knowledge. Yeah, that's all I can say.
Okay. So coming to your confidence level, Siddiq. So
Yes.
before joining CMTI and after joining CMTI, so what was the difference for your confidence?
Before joining CMTI, I can say that I was a little bit not sure about the practical knowledge, and not sure how we have to give the interviews. After coming here, I came to know how the interviews to be gone, and how we have to attend the interviews. This and all I came to know after coming to CMTI.
Okay. So what about CMTI app, Siddiq? How did that help you?
CMTI app helped me while I was not attending the classes. They have the recorded sessions, like everything they are all the recorded session they are keeping in the CMTI app. Through that we can learn so many things. Not only that recorded, there are so many courses that are in CMTI. So that would be a good platform for everyone to learn things.
Okay. So yeah, how was your interview process? So how did you crack the interview, Siddiq?
So interview, I can say what and all they asked, I was confident in answering the questions. So it was quite nice, man. Yes, I can say.
So hope you are happy with your placements.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what about CMTI staff, Siddiq? How was their coordination throughout the process?
So the staff here are very friendly, and they are very helpful. the classes they're scheduling, that all is I can say, we can talk about you, ma'am. So you're very helpful in selecting the correct people, but for giving any job. So the staff here are very helpful for the students.
Okay, Siddiq. So, yeah, finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors, Siddiq?
So, to my friends and all my colleagues, I will say that this CMTI Institute is a very good institute where we can learn things and gain good knowledge from here. Since they are providing placements, also you can get a good job. So, this is all I can say for my friends and colleagues.
Okay. Okay, Siddiq, thank you.
Uh,
Thank you for your feedback. I hope like all the best for your future, and
Thank
I want
you.
to see you in a great height, Siddiq. And once again, congratulations for your placement. Thank you so
Thank,
much, Siddiq.
thank
Thank
you.
you.